Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is Monday, April the 9th, 2018, and even though I didn't start off this little series with the actual germination portion of this plant process, I thought I would just show you these. These are marigolds, and they have been in these little pots since March the 22nd, and they are coming along really well. Last year I tried growing a few of these and they just didn't turn out well. I had planted them directly in soil. We had a really bad summer last year and nothing came of them. So I started them inside in the little paper bag with the little piece of paper inside the bag. You take the bag, you put the paper inside, add a few seeds, wet the actual paper, close it all up, and then let it go, and hopefully your seeds will start germinating, which they did in this case. I'm really happy. And I will just show you, let me just get in here, and let's just tilt some of these down. I just want to show you the difference between some of them here. It's funny how these were all planted at the same time. I've got one really nicely coming along here, and then we've got that little baby right there. That one there is not too bad. This one here has some really nice growth. Let's make sure we're on camera here. But I am super happy that these are coming. I love these flowers, and instead of buying them at my local nursery, I thought this year I'd try my hand at growing a few of these. But I guess since I've done this video, I will keep you up to date on these and, you know, watch their progress throughout the late spring and summer. So that's it for today's really fun video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you do subscribe, there's a brand new notification bell right beside the subscribe button. If you hit that, you'll be notified each time I upload a brand new video. And if you like to bake and cook, make sure you check out my large recipe channel on YouTube, youtube.com/bakelikeapro. You can also find me there on Facebook, facebook.com/bakelikeapro. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you next time.